Okay, so I'm not sure how you landed upon this video, but if you did, I just want to uh, mention two things. One, the purpose of this video is to extract data for this Adani Group's report from Hindenburgresearch website and analyze it in text format using some programming language. I'm going to use Python and related libraries so that we can do some sort of analysis, like text analysis, using some NLP tools. And second thing is that the video is mostly for my self referencing purpose, and therefore it's going to be a little boring. I am going to take long pauses when I'm going to do some sort of like some sort of planning or thinking, because I'm just writing code and doing analysis as I go. And due to some reason, I just plan to make a video of that. And another thing is that if you still plan to stay, then you should have some background in Python and HTML to understand and follow along. Okay, so with that disclaimer, I am just going to make a plan of what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to understand the structure of this page HTML code, so that I can use that to extract these things. And for that, I'll right click on this document and click inspect, and as expected, everything looks to be in the body tag of HTML. Now in the body tag, I'll try to find the division tag, and it looks like that most of the things are in this division, which is container, and there are another div and okay, so this div has some sort of structure which I can use to grab the text and other documents. Okay, so here I see that there is some unordered list, pages, h2, further pages, and h3, and then we have another h3, so I'm expecting to okay, and then there are some images and codes which are after h3. Okay, so there are further some h3s, and yeah, so my expectation is to find another h2, okay, which I did. So looks like all this content is for the first h2, and this is going to be for second. And if I okay, so this heading is for part 1, and all the subsequent headings that are for h3 will belong to part 1, that is this I see. Okay, fine. So I think we more or less get the structure in which the content is organized. And if you want to extract this, then this is okay. So first I'll create a new Jupyter notebook, and the first cell I'll make as a markdown cell so that I can see what or I can mention what I want to extract from here. So first is like all h2 headings, second all the paragraphs, and which is simply text, and if images, maybe there are some codes, then all the h3 headings, then all the images and codes for h3 headings. I think there is going to be some text as well, and then maybe we link H2 and H3 headings either during the process or after extracting all the data. Okay, link H2 and you can say corresponding H3 headings. I see, so that seems like the steps. Okay, so these are ordered lists. Okay, I see. And okay, so in order to do this, I need to import some Python libraries, and the library which I am going to use for this are going to be requests and then beautiful soup, and I also need a URL, so you can say URL, and which is this. Okay, I think now we are ready to get a response from this website and do some further explorations on that. So some of the questions of interest which we will try to answer are, so let me get another markup document. So let's say who are the people and companies mentioned in the document? And there are a few other things, and okay, we'll just figure out as we go, like what we can get from the text which we extracted. For now, let's stop here, and in my next video which I upload, I'll try to write some Python code and see the things in action. Thank you.